Kalitorify is a powerful tool built specifically for Kali Linux. But remember, this is for educational purpose only. Kalitorify sets up IP tables rules that redirects all outgoing traffic through Tor SOC 5 proxies, shown in green. It also blocks DNS leaks, which makes it more secure than just using a regular VPN. Let's fire it up. I'll show you how to install it, activate it, and test if your traffic is really anonymous. The first activity is to install Tor on your device. Use the sudo apt install tor-y command. I already have this installed. Next, we need to visit GitHub. So Google GitHub Kalitorify and click the first link that comes up. Once you are on the page, you will see details about Kalitorify, the code repository, and how it functions. If you scroll down, it will show you the git clone command. So copy this, return to your terminal, and change your target directory if you wish. Paste the git clone command into the CLI and press enter. Then check the directory is there with a quick ls. The install is pretty easy. cd to the Kalitorify directory and then issue the command sudo make install. As it's a sudo command, type in your password and the install is complete. You are now ready to hide your IP. During the filming, my laptop developed an issue, so I switched to another one. The process is still the same. To go invisible, just type sudo Kalitorify -t. It runs through the code, starts up the Tor service, and then displays your new IP address. Now, if you want to give yourself a new IP address, just issue the same command again, but with -a at the end. The -a stands for restart. By visiting a website called DNS Leak Test, we can show the location in a web page too. Once finished, you can turn off your invisibility by issuing sudo Kalitorify -c, and you are back online again with your home or Office 1 IP. Thanks so much for watching today, and we hope that this can be vital to you for your pen testing and ethical hacking. Watch our next video or the playlist for more very useful content. See you again for more at the G-Man channel.